For years, Gothic Homemaking fans have been telling me about Joann Fabric and Craft stores, but we don't have any in New York City, so I've never been to one. But recently, while I was on my way to perform in Florida, I decided to take a detour to remedy that. To that end, I got on one of these. I flew over a bunch of these. I did one of these. And in time, I was at one of these. I was overcome with wicked glee entering the store and being immediately welcomed by the Haul-o-ween section. And it was huge! It was so much bigger than I expected, with just rows of Halloween goodies. They had some of the usual spooky Halloween decorations, plus tons and tons and tons and tons and tons and tons of other great things. The key was separating Halloween from high design. If it couldn't be displayed in the lair year-round, it went back on the shelf, no matter how awesome it was. Of all of the wonderful pumpkins they had, I found one I could display year-round. The same was true for their huge selection of hand towels. Only one made the cut for permanent residence at the lair. And of 4 Halloween wreaths, I'd only hang one of these on my door off-season. I also found other Gothic housewares like these cobweb stands that are intended to display a pumpkin. But I think they would be great for serving pastries and other dark delicacies at a Aurelio Voltaire tea party. And from this miniatures section, I found some small tombstones for a graveyard model I've been planning for years. Other notable items included this amazing glass and metal coffin, but at $40 the price was a bit out of my budget. And these jack-o'-lantern sculptures are cute, though if I bought one, I'd probably gut it and display something else inside. But the items that really stole the show were the things I found in the Halloween artificial flowers section. Like this glittery black garland. This could have saved me a lot of time when I was decorating the lair with artificial ivy and I had to paint it black. I'd lose the bats though. They had a great selection of artificial Halloween themed plants, but some were too Halloween-y for me. Others, however, were just right, like these black branches. And these with black artificial berries certainly didn't stink. I'm usually not a fan of artificial roses, but these gave me a great idea for a future project. Inspired on the spot, I chose this one for its color, but I'll probably lose that eye. And from their massive selection of other artificial plants, I added some other additions. But I'll tell you about that project next time. For now, here's my Joann Fabric and Craft store Halloween haul. We New York City dwellers get a little haughty because we have things like a dried plant district and a trimmings district, but being able to get all of those things under one roof is pretty amazing. I'm glad I finally made it to a Joann Fabrics and Craft store. Stay tuned as I continue to review what all of the stores are offering this Halloween season and show you what I did with those artificial plants. Until then, have a happy Halloween season.